guys, so welcome back sa ating channel. Sa video ito, magsosolve tayo ng problem gamit ang multiplication and division of polynomials. Okay, meron tayo ditong 10 problems. Let's start. For number 1, 2ab times 4a squared plus 3ab minus 7b squared. So, pag multiplication, pag ganito lang, monomial lang siya, i-distribute lang natin ito. Okay? So, ganito yung mangyayari sa atin. Okay? Multiply lang natin siya ng isa-isa. Okay? So, ito na. Magiging 2ab times 4a squared, 2ab times 3ab, 2ab times negative 2ab times 7b squared kasi negative siya dito. Okay? Then, simplify lang natin. So, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times a squared is a cubed. So, lower exponent lang tayo, na-apply lang natin. Product law, ina-add lang natin yung exponent nila kasi same silang base na a. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, copy lang yung b. Then, dito, 2ab times 3ab is 2 times 3 is 6. Then, plus yung exponent ulit dito, a times a squared, b times b is b squared. Then, dito, 2 times 7 is 14. ab times b squared is ab cubed. So, yun lang. Inad lang natin ulit yung exponent ng 1 plus 2 is 3. So, b cubed siya. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Okay, for number 2 naman, negative 3xy times the quantity x cubed y cubed minus 3x squared y plus 7xy squared. Again, same lang. I-distribute lang ulit natin itong negative 3xy. So, ganito na yung mangyayari sa amin. Okay? Then, simplify lang natin. Again, loss of exponent ulit dito. Negative 3x times x cube. Add lang natin yung exponent. Y times y cube. Add lang natin yung exponent. 1 plus 3 is 4. So, y to the 4. And dito rin, negative times negative 3 times negative 3 is magiging positive 9. Okay? So, negative times negative. Then, x times x squared is x cubed. Loss of exponent again. Add lang natin yung exponent. Y times y is y squared. Then, ito, lastly, negative 3 times 7 is 21. Negative 21. X times x is x squared. Y times y squared is y. So, ina-apply lang natin yung loss of exponent dito. Pag nag-multiply tayo ng variables. Okay? For number 3. Now, meron tayo ditong binomial times trinomial. So, pag ganito, meron tayong dalawang method. Yung distribution, katulad ng kanina, tsaka vertical method. So, ipapakita natin yan. So, sa distribution is, again, i-distribute lang natin to. So, dahil dalawa na siya, so dalawa na yung i-distribute natin. So, yung x muna, ito, distribute lang natin siya. X times x squared, x times negative 3x, x times 2. And ito naman, 2 times x squared, 2 times negative 3x, or negative 2 times 3x, 2 times 2. So, ganun lang. Distribution ng din. And simplify natin to. Ito, x times x squared is x cubed. So, loss of exponent again yan. I-add lang natin yung exponent nila. Negative x times 3x is negative 3x squared. Okay. X times 2 is 2x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x, then 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Next dito is, igugrupo natin yung mga similar terms natin. Yung negative 3x squared tsaka 2x squared. Then yung mga x natin, 2x and negative 6x. Then yung constant. Then, simplify lang, combine. X cubed plus negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is negative x squared na lang. 2x minus 6x is 6x is negative 4x na lang. Then, copy lang natin yung constant. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Now, is yung second method natin. So, ito yung mas madali. Para sa mas madali ito. Ganito lang. So, para lang tayo mag-multiply ng numbers lang. Ito, i-arrange natin sa ganito. Then, multiply natin. Pero yung una natin mag-multiply itong nasa left. So, yung x natin dito. X times 2 is 2x. X times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. X times x squared is x cubed. So, add lang natin yung exponent natin. Then, yung 2 naman yung multiply natin. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. So, ina-align man din natin siya sa mga katulad niya. So, yung mga similar terms, ina-align natin at tinatapat-tapat natin. Then, i-add lang natin yan. Bring down lang natin to. Ganito. Negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is negative x squared na lang. Ganito. 2x plus negative 6x is 2 minus 6 is negative 4x. Then, bring down lang natin to. So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, same lang din ang nakuha natin dito. Okay. So, for number 4, again, so, yung gagamitin na lang natin is yung vertical method na lang. So, nire-recommend ko na pag ganito, binomial times trinomial, vertical method yung gagamitin nyo kasi mas madali siya. Ganun din. Distribute na muna natin yung nasa left natin. Yung x natin, 2x. 2x times 3 is 6x. 2x times 4x is 8x squared. And 2x times 2x squared is 4x cubed. Okay? Then next ito. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x. Negative 1 times 2x squared is negative 2x squared. Then combine lang natin, add lang. Bring down lang natin to. 8x squared minus 2x squared is 6x squared na lang matitira. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Then bring down lang. So ito na yung ating final answer. Okay. Then number 5. So same trinomial sila. So mahaba pa siya. So, same lang yung gagawin natin. Mas marami lang tayong multiply kasi trinomial na siya. Okay. Ito. Multiply natin. 2y squared times 5 is 60y squared. 12y squared times negative 14y is negative 168y cubed. So, 12 times negative 14 is negative 168. Y squared times y is y cubed. So, kaya siya naging ganito. Then, ito rin. 12y squared times 8y cubed is 96y to the 5th. Yeah, 8 times 12 is 96. Y squared times y cubed is y to the 5. So, inad lang natin yung exponent. So, meron tayo dito ng space kasi ito yung space para sa y to the 4th. Dahil wala siya. So, lagyan lang tayo ng blank space dyan. Then, next. Ito namang middle term yung distribute natin. Negative 9y times 5 is negative 45y. Negative 9y times negative 14y is positive 126y squared. So, may positive siya. Negative 9y times 8y cubed is negative 72y to the 4th. So, negative 9 times 8 is negative 72. Y times y cubed is y to the 4th. So, nad lang natin ulit ng exponent. Okay? And lastly, yung constant naman i-distribute natin. 16 times 5 is 80. 16 times negative 14y is negative 224y. And 16 times 8y cubed is 128y cubed. Okay? 16 times 8 is 128. Then copy lang yung y cubed. Then combine lang natin. Again, bring down lang natin ito. Bring down lang din. Then negative 168y cubed minus 128y cubed is negative 40y cubed. So, sinabtak lang natin itong numerical coefficient na. Negative 168 plus 128. So, magiging 4. Negative 40. Then, 60y squared plus 126y squared. Add lang natin yan. 186y squared. Then, negative 45y minus 224y is negative 269y. Then, bring down lang natin ito. So, ito na yung ating final answer. So, nakita ko sa, meron kasi itong answer key. So, iba yung sagot niya. So, yung nandito niya is 296 yung sagot niya. So, inad niya ito, no? Meaning, yung nakuha niya dito is positive 168. So, chinek ko. So, ito kasi is result to ng 12y squared times negative 14y. So, negative talaga siya. So, maybe, nagkamali lang siguro ng lagay doon sa nagkamali lang ng solve. Kaya iba yung nakuha niya sa answer key niya. So, check nyo na rin. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video nito. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.